Hey, what's up guys? It's George. Hope you're all having a great day. And in this video I want to talk about the potential of how much money can really truly be made selling diabetic test strips. So I was on the phone with one of my best friends earlier today, and he's in this business with me, and he was telling me about some new friends that he's made within the industry. And he was telling me about how one of his connections now, one of his contacts, is making over $50,000 a week in profit flipping diabetic test strips. So do the math on that. That's over $200,000 a month. And there are a lot of people making money like that. And I know this sounds crazy. I know people personally that flip over $100,000 a month in diabetic test strips. There's a lot of money to be made in this industry, in this business. Now the thing is, at that level, they're not just picking up individual boxes and flipping them. Those who have taken it to the next level, they're wholesaling. They have basically become the one that us sellers sell their test strips to. It's a different market, but there are different levels to this business. So there is a lot of potential. And beyond that, I mean, there is the potential to make millions in this business. And I know that may seem hard to believe, especially if you're not in this industry. But the longer that I'm in the business, the more it blows my mind just at how much potential there is to make money in this. There are tens of millions of adult diabetics in the United States, and the number is growing astronomically. And this really is, a niche market. There's a lot of room for growth in this. A lot of people that have diabetes don't even know they can sell their test strips to make some extra money. And there's not a lot of competition in this, like phone flipping and things like that. There is so much money. Most of the people that I know that are doing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in this business are just working with their small little local area. Like me, the majority of my business just within the local area. I do have long distance customers as well, but the majority of my business is just within this local area as well. And there's a zillion other, probably 50 to 100 other people just like me in my area as well, which is crazy. And there's still more business than all of us can even handle. There's that much business in this industry. So there's a lot of money to be made flipping diabetic test strips and in the medical commodities industry. If you just want to be a flipper, just buying and flipping them, you can absolutely make $10,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 a month doing that in profit. But if you want to get to the next level, the big level, then that's where you got to really think like a big company in buying mass quantities, kind of like a drug dealer. You want to become the dealer, the dealer of dealers, and you want to become the one that the test strip flippers, they flip their test strips too. And then from there, sky's the limit. I mean, you could potentially form a corporation, all kinds of advertising, marketing online and so forth. Sky's the limit. So I just want to make a quick video about the potential, the possibility of how much money there really truly is to be made in this industry. And I know that's not the goals for everybody. Becoming a wholesaler at this time, that's not a goal of mine. Maybe someday it will be, but right now, I'm an easyologist. I like keeping my life simple. So right now, I'm really, I'm happy with where I'm at. But maybe someday I may aspire to become a wholesaler. But maybe that's what your goal is right from the beginning. There's no problem with that. There are people who just jump right into becoming a wholesaler, and you absolutely can do that. Just think about what your long-term vision is, what your long-term goal is, and then go from there. You can open storefronts, locations, have employees working for you. Sky's the limit. So guys, hope you're all having a great day. Till next time, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya. And if you want to learn more about how to make money on a part-time basis or a full-time basis, flipping diabetic test strips, then check out the links in the description. You can either get the course to learn the exact steps and how to build this business, or you can do one-on-one coaching with me. I've coached lots of people to make money, coached people and help people to make over a couple $1,000s a month within just their first month or two. I've coached many people who within just the first day and within the first week are already making money. So if you're interested, check out the links in the description. Keep crushing it, guys.